Hello and welcome to Kathleen Color. Mermaid makeup is in, and today I'm going to show you how to do mermaid makeup, not just for Halloween. But before we begin, make sure you subscribe and hit the bell so you get notified when I post new videos. Let's get started. I started my wearable mermaid look with e.l.f.'s Putty Primer and smoothed it all over my skin. This fills in pores, smooths, and blurs. Next, I use Bite's Changemaker foundation to even up my skin tone. I then use Laura Mercier's translucent powder to smooth my skin and get rid of any excess oil. For blush, I used Rare Beauty in Encourage on the apples of my cheekbones and blended it up and outward. I also brushed it across my nose for a sun-kissed look, almost as if I have a sunburn, but without the sun. For sparkle, I brushed Lancome's Dual Finish Highlighter on the tops of my cheekbones and down the center of my nose. Eyes came next. I primed my eyes with MAC's Paint Pot and with my fingers smoothed it all over my eyes from lash to brow. This will help your eyeshadow go on smoother and it will help it not crease. For shadow, I used the ColourPop palette in Enchanted and started with the Vine shade. In my crease, I used Got Wings and with a fluffy brush, brushed it from outer corner to inner corner. For shimmer and pop, I used the color Berry Pickin'. I then put Magic Spell on top to give more sparkle. In my inner corner, I used Magic Maker and wrapped it under my eyes to make my eyes brighter. Because after all, mermaids sparkle in the sun. To give the eye look more color and to frame my eyes, I used L'Oreal's Infallible eyeshadow in Golden Emerald and brushed it across my upper lid and on the outer corner. No cat eye here. The outer corner flick is just to elongate and add dimension to my eyes. To clean up all the sparkles and discoloration under my eyes, I used NARS Creamy Concealer. I wanted a little more dimension, so I decided to add a little more green under my eyes too at the lash line. I decided to go with a short but dense lash from Eyelure London. These lashes need no glue. You just press and go. They are super easy and can be used multiple times. Don't forget the lower lashes. I used L'Oreal's Telescopic Mascara in black and gave my lower lashes multiple coats. For brows, I used Lancome's Shaping Pencil. And lastly, I used Revlon's Lip Pencil in Chocolate and Maybelline's lipstick in Born With It. And here's the final look, my easy mermaid look that you can wear anytime. Mermaid makeup is so much fun. You can wear it to the beach, to a party, or anytime you want to switch up your makeup. Thanks for watching. You can follow me on Instagram at Kathleen Color. Hit the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Remember, life is better in color.